how to log in with Bloxflip. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log in with Bloxflip, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to log in with Bloxflip, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser, then just go to bloxflip.com, as you can see over here as well. As you can see, I'm also officially on the bloxflip.com website, and then you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap on the login button from the top right hand side of the screen. Now all you need to do is simply enter your username as well as the affiliate code if you have one, or you can simply enter your username over here. So let me also just go ahead and then actually enter my username just in this case. Once I enter my username, just tap on the sign in button and then you'll be able to successfully sign in to your Bloxflip account. Now in case you don't want to log in from the website, you can also download the Bloxflip application and then log in a similar fashion. So hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.